guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be recreating my first ever Instagram post, at least on this account. I have had multiple accounts in the past and they were deleted, but this is the first post that I have on my beauty account. Let me scroll down and show you guys. So I'm going to be recreating this look today. And obviously I'm not going to do it exactly like how I did it in this picture, because personally I wouldn't do it like this now that I like kind of sort of know what I'm doing. So I'm going to kind of revamp it and kind of do it how I would now, but use the same colors that I used in this look. I literally have the same exact palette that I used in everything. So I'm going to be doing that today and I'm very excited. So yeah, if you want to see me recreate my first ever Instagram post, then just keep on watching. So first off, I'm actually going to apply some tape, because I know that back in the day, especially in that picture, I used tape. But also, I suck at doing wing eyeliner, so we're just gonna, use a little tape as a little cheat sheet. And also, don't mind my hair, it's just one of those days, But so yeah, I'm just doing the tape because I know I did in this picture to help with my eyeliner, but that's besides the point. So to prime my lids, in that photo I used the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, but today I'm going to be using my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, like I always do. Again, don't mind my nasty nails from hair color. Let me know if any of you guys out there are hairdressers. Let me know if you know any like really good tricks on like getting like hair color stains like out of your nails, because it's not attractive when I'm trying to film a video and my nails are all like gross from hair color. Okay, so now that I'm done applying that, I'm going to take a skin tone shade, and I'm going to be using various palettes today. The original palette I used to create this look is this one from BH Cosmetics. I don't even think they make this anymore, but this is literally the exact same palette that I used. But there's no skin tone color in there, so I'm just going to take this Clara palette that I got at TJ Maxx. I'm just going to take this shade right here and apply it to my lid. I'm just setting my eyeshadow base so that the colors on top blend seamlessly together. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to be taking is that same Clara palette. I'm going to take this light purple right here, and I'm actually going to be putting that. I would usually use a fluffier brush for a transition shade, but I'm going to use a denser brush just because we're not using like warm colors, we're using more colorful colors, so I really want to concentrate it and then blend it out afterwards with a fluffier brush. So I'm just going to take some of that purple, start at the tape, make sure, because if you don't then you'll just have a huge gap, so make sure you always start at the tape and then work inward. Because if you start here and don't touch the tape, then it's going to defeat the purpose of it being there. So I'm just making sure I really start at the tape and then just fluff it into my crease. And I'm starting with a light purple to start my transition. Okay, so now that I kind of like smoked out that color, I'm going to take that color again and really just focus it into my crease now. Before I was kind of going in circular motions. I can't even talk today. I was going in circular motions like this. Now I'm just going windshield wiper right into my crease, just to intensify the color right in the crease. Okay, so I just zoomed you guys in so you could see a little bit better, but like I said, I'm not creating this look exactly how I did it in the picture. I'm using the same colors in the same places, but I'm using different techniques. So obviously we're trying to show a more upgraded version of it, I guess you could say. I'm just taking my little fluffy brush that I used earlier, just making sure I blend that out. Okay, so now for the crease, I'm going to be taking that palette that I originally used in the original picture. This is the BH Cosmetics Hollywood palette. I don't even think they make this anymore, but I'm just going to take this purple shade right here with that same crease brush. Actually, yeah, no, actually I'm going to use this brush right here. This is my e.l.f. blending brush, right? Yeah. I'm going to take that purple. I'm going to put that directly into my crease. Okay, so I'm just going to take that dense crease brush that I used earlier. I'm just going to blend out the edge. Okay, now in this picture, or the original picture, I definitely didn't do this, but I'm just going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I'm just going to use this brush that I found. I think it's an old Target brush. I'm going to take some of that concealer and I'm going to carve out my crease. Okay, so when you're doing a cut crease look with concealer, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to kind of sketch out the edge first and then go back in and pack on the lid, because if you wipe, it's just all going to come off. So you want to make sure you pack right on the lid. Okay, so don't stress if it's not 100% perfect. Mine's obviously not, but I'm not even worried about it because it's all gonna be blended and look good anyways. But so for the lid color, I'm actually gonna be taking this pink from that BH Cosmetics palette right there. It's a really, really hot pink. You can't even really see it on camera. But I'm just gonna take that shade, which is the exact color I used in the photo. I'm gonna pack it on my lid. And I'm just doing it on the center because what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in this spot with yellow and this spot with a darker purple. Okay, so I want it to be a little bit more pinky. So I'm just going to take a tad of this Profusions Pro Pigment palette and I'm going to take the shade Jive right there. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that and just put it right on top just to make it a little bit more pink and not so much like a peachy color. Now for the inner corner, I used this yellow in that photo, but I think I'm going to add a touch of gold this time rather than just a flat matte on the inner corner. And also in the photo, I only did it on the inner corner, but in this look, I'm going to put it on the inner corner and also the inner half of my eye. So I'm just going to take that yellow. I'm just going to pack it right there. And don't worry, we will blend it out afterwards. Now with this yellow, you're going to want to overlap the pink a little bit just to start getting that blend going. Then you're going to go back in with whatever's left on the brush that you use for the pink. I'm just going to go like this with a line of the yellow and the pink meet. Just kind of swipe it back and forth. Okay, so now for the outer corner color, I'm actually going to be taking this MAC shadow in the shade Fig 1. And I'm going to take this Unique brush. It's just a crease brush. I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Now I'm not packing. As you can see, I'm kind of like rubbing to make sure it blends. Because we don't want it to be like the pink and the yellow where it's just there. We want to make sure it blends in with the crease so it almost looks like it just swoops together, if that makes any sense. Now I'm just taking a tiny, tiny bit on my brush. I'm just going to blend it. The key to this look is honestly just going back and forth with your colors, packing it on, blending, packing on, blending, and that's how you get that really gradient effect. So now I'm just going to take some more of that yellow, and like I said, just go right on top, making sure we really pack on that color. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes, some liner, and finish up the rest of my face, and we'll be back to do the lower lash line. And so yeah, see you guys then. Okay, so I just finished the rest of my makeup, and for my inner corner and my brow bone highlight, I used the ColourPop Girly Super Shock eyeshadow. And I used it because it's like a golden, like a pink, and I thought it would be perfect for this look. So I used that for my inner corner of my brow bone, and now we're gonna finish the lower lashes. So in my photo, let me pull up a reference here. So in the picture of my makeup look, I actually didn't even do a like I did a little bit of a lower lash line. Like I did purple like up close here and that was it. And I did white in my waterline, but I can't find my white eye pencil. So I'm not going to be doing that, but I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line because in this, like, it's only like here and I want to like, bam, I want it to be smoky. So I'm going to take this brush right here. And I'm going to take that light purple again from that Clara palette, the very first color I used. I'm going to go right underneath my lower lashes. Okay, now to deepen that up, I'm going to take my little crease brush with some Fig from MAC. I'm only going to focus that right on the outer corner. Okay, I'm also going to be putting that pink shade right in the middle. So I'm just going to take that pink with that same flat brush I used earlier. I'm just going to smudge that right underneath. Because we want it all to connect. I'm also going to go in with that pink that I used from the Profusions palette, just a little bit. I'm going to go right on top of that just to make it a little bit more pink. And then I'm also going to go in with that yellow, pretty much using the same exact colors I used on my lid. Just transferring it to my lower lash line. I'm going to put that right on the inner corner without covering the highlight. Alright, so now I'm just going to apply some mascara. This is the Falsies from Maybelline. Alright, and for my lip color, I'm not sure exactly which lip color I used in this photo, but I kind of did something similar, I think. So I used the L'Oreal, I don't know, Julian's Nude, I think. And then for a gloss, I used RK by Kiss Plush Cream Lip Gloss in the shade Mink. I put that right on top, and that is what I got. And I think that's it. I think I did everything else. I know this shirt does not go with this look at all, but I hope you guys enjoyed my recreation on my first ever Instagram post. Comment down below your thoughts and opinions. Do you think I did good? Do you think I did bad? Do you think it looks better? Do you think it looks the same? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It would mean the absolute world to me, and it shows that you like this video and want to see more. And so yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!